payments processing company First Data going public today. I'm joined by the president, Guy Chiarello. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you too.
So you priced at $16. That was below what the expected range was. You are hoping the proceeds will use to pay down debt. So my question for you is, based on the numbers you got here, do you pay down enough debt to get a sustained quarterly profit?
You know, this is a long process. Last year, about 18 months ago, we raised $3.5 billion in private capital. Today, we're nearly $3 billion in a very difficult market. We're very happy. All that money will go to pay down debt. And we've got a surgical process in 2016 to pay down a lot of debt that comes to maturity. Bond rates are in our favor. We think those spreads will give us a lot of cash flow back in 2016.
So is 2016 the target for profitability then?
I think we are absolutely focused on 2016 as a profitable year.
All right, let's switch on to the business itself. You are in about half of all credit and debit card transactions, about half are yours, but there's competition coming. Square, for instance, is planning an IPO. What do you sell to the merchant to convince them that they should continue to use First Data?
You know, look, there's always going to be competition in the market. I would stick our innovation and solutions against any competitor in the marketplace. But the real value at First Data is innovation at scale distribution. We have feet on the street. We have major partnerships with every bank for resellers in the community. We have a very sticky customer base that allows us to upsell and cross-sell solutions. And then you have a big event in the marketplace called EMV, which has allowed us to have extensive dialogues with our customers. We think we're well positioned to retain customers, to upsell them on a series of products, and we think our innovation is unrivaled in the marketplace.
You said retain, what about grow?
Well, grow for sure. I think we are in a position every day to win business. We built out a whole Clover product line. We built out a #1 independent network, #1 issuer, #1 processor. That strength and our distribution plus the solutions allows us to walk into any business, large or small, and win their deal.
So you have made several acquisitions in the past at First Data. Is that part of the strategy going forward? And are those funded by debt, if so?
You know, I think we'll continue to focus on acquisitions that help us fill in gaps and our tuck-ins. We're not going to do anything large at this point in time. We bought a company called Clover out of Silicon Valley. We bought a company called Gift. We bought Spree. We bought Herca. These are all capabilities. These are all things that we did to add capabilities to our customers and to the marketplace. So, you know, we're going to continue to do what it takes, but we think having now 250 engineers plus in Silicon Valley and Silicon Alley really helps the company move to market quicker with new solutions.
In terms of the IPO market, you've come at a kind of a skittish time for the market. Albertsons delayed its IPO. I don't want to be the bearer of bad news, but right now you're trading below the offering price. So I'm wondering why, in terms of the market timing, why go now and not have delayed and see if your pricing could have come in a bit higher?
You know, we're in this for the long term. Again, we're using all the money to pay down debt. It's really about long-term strategy. We feel the company is very well positioned for growth. We think we had 160 million shares that were sold. There was great investor interest. We can't control the things that we can't control, which are the external markets, but we're highly confident that, you know, we're about to move forward with a great strategy that's going to be successful for both shareholders, clients, and employees.
Guy Chiarello, thanks so much for your time.
Thank you.